5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Get ready to dive into the best local music from around the world only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Hey, this is Jay from 99.3 The X, and you're checking out Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Welcome to Local Howl, the best local music show in the Tri-Cities. And now, here is your hosts, Perry and Glenda Hensley.
Hey, this is Perry.
And this is Glenda, and you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Is it my state of mind that makes me waste all of my time with all the feelings inside? This will all be over tonight with all the pain in my life that I push to the side. Why did you do this to me? Was it just all out of spite? It's time for me to go away, yeah, and get some sort of release from all this pain inside of me. It's time for me to
playing you the absolute best local, independent and unsigned artists from around the world. On the best local music radio in the Tri-Cities. Tri-City Local Music Radio.
You keep lying to yourself. Can't believe I've seen you with somebody else. You keep talking in your sleep, trying to make sense of somebody else's dreams. Whispers in the dark, waiting on the spark. Shadows in the stars. You still turn me on. You said you would never leave. My heart is breaking, I can barely breathe. I can't do this on my own. Last time we talked was on the telephone. Whispers in the dark, waiting on the spark. Shadows in the stars. Whoa, I can't believe that you said that I'm not the only you still turn me on, but you still turn me on, but you still turn me on. You keep lying to yourself. Can't believe I've seen you with somebody else. I can't believe that you said that I'm not the only one. It's plain to see, baby, that you're not the only one. It's plain to see, baby, that you're not the only one. But you still turn me on. 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 But you still turn me on.
Hey, it's Scott Hyland from 95.9 The Hog, and you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
I said, oh.